Hi, I'm Dr. Julie Steinauer, and today I want to share with you a cool tool. A cool tool, I didn't even plan that. A cool tool that will help you out with your vision, particularly if you need to have like an increased peripheral expansion of your vision. And something that you could easily kind of make up to do at home. Now, before I go into this, I want to tell you how you can connect with us. If you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. If you're not local, go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com. You can do one of two things. You can either click on the schedule a consultation and schedule a time directly to consult with me, or you can fill out the questionnaire and get some information and feedback about your vision. Now, let's tell you this kind of cool activity that I think you could even manage to figure out to make it on your own at home. All right, so this is called a peripheral awareness chart. And there are versions of this that are made for kids that are, nice and kid-friendly with pictures rather than letters. But what you do with this is you place it on a wall, and then you are directed, if you can kind of see, in the center there's a dot. You're directed to stare in the center at that little dot right there. And what you try to do while you're staring in the center is stare straight at the dot, but then you try to see how far out on those like the rings around here. So for instance, in the center, there's a little bitty set of letters here. There's a set of letters here, a set here, a set here, and then this bigger outer set. What you're trying to do is to see with each eye individually how far out in the periphery you can see those letters. And it's called, it's going to help with your peripheral expansion or your ability to see more information. Now, you might be wondering, like, what is this really beneficial for, or how can it truly help me? Well, I will tell you that it might help you out with certain things that you're doing. It could help you with driving. For a kid, it can actually help them with reading. So many times what happens with children is that they will only focus or fixate on one word at a time as they're reading. So like the cat is, instead of like scanning ahead, which is what efficient readers do. So something like this peripheral expansion chart could help train them to be able to scan a little farther ahead while looking centrally, but their brain can kind of be scanning and seeing out to the periphery over here as they're focusing on the words when they read. So this is a cool little activity. Again, it's called peripheral expansion, or this is a peripheral awareness chart that I think can be beneficial for a lot of things. Now, if you like this video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you get all notifications by clicking that all bell notification icon. But if you need to know how to connect with us, if you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. And also, if you are not local, you happen to be somewhere else in the world, it doesn't mean that we can't work with you or help you. We may need to just work with and help you through your doctor. So you can still connect with us. Go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com, and you can either schedule a consultation directly with me, or what you can do is you can fill out the questionnaire, and that's going to kind of give you some feedback about your vision, and then you'll get into our system, you'll learn more about us, and eventually over time you might be more comfortable to schedule that consultation. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Pass this on if you feel like it could be beneficial for someone. It also might be a great tip for teachers. Pass it on to a teacher if you know someone who would benefit from using this in their classroom. Thank you.